If you are one of those wives that is going on Facebook and begin to tell the world how your husband used to sleep with you, I want to let you know, he woke up, that marriage will later scatter. How can a woman, a married couple, get down on Facebook and begin to tell the world how she used to sleep with her husband? Na kambo ya jimari onutaria na otabu hatu. No nu ya na esi isi. No kipo hesisi ale. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you a demon? Amen. Gene monte. Onwe nwa ba na aza okwu atu egwu. Maka magom na nka nkwuru kita ga pụta ife ọzọ. It does not matter. Listen. Amen and amen. Gente. If you are one of those wives that is going on Facebook and begin to tell the world how your husband used to sleep with you, I want to let you know, he woke up, that marriage will later scatter because of what happened there. The other one, when we talk Ochi, friends started calling the man. Family friends started calling the man. The members of the family started calling the man and asking the man, what happened? Is the show not going? We know you as a strong man. We know you. How did you go out there in the public and begin to drag with your wife? Your wife will tell people, the whole world, how you used to sleep with her. Are you sure that you are the one? They have divorced now with 3 kids. Court. See, they divorced because of court. Charge me. Tell me how I will be paying for them. Public. Since he married me, he never me. I never see him packing brush. He never took brush. Because I say, ajoha. Okay, okay. Can you time moja bia? Affordable. About 3 o'clock. Affordable. No, onu na afia. Osomo na afia. Obri hojo kan ne kuchineke kugidem. But I want you to learn something. Father, abona sister, aponite nwoka. Nwoke na-ema ya. Kedu mbọsị itinyela ọnụ na private wine last? Una afro ya. Amen. Now, nke ọzọ, asị nke ọzọ, onwe nke asịrị, keduzi ọ bụrụ na ọ bịa di gị bata oge dị a, kedu ihe izizo na-ebu ụzọ eme? Ọsọ ya metụrụ maka ọdụ romantic, ọ naghị akpatụ maka asị aka ezọsị na ọ bịa ha ozugbo direct. When you call the person on phone, gịnị a na-ekwubo maka anyị na-ekwu eziokwu, for you to tell the person, see ihe dị etu a, ọ chụrụ mepe call gịnị akwu ekwu, because let me not go far. But let me tell you, one with God is major. Anything consecrated, we should not defile it in any way. The theology taught us, the theology taught us that what is marriage? Marriage is an institution instituted by God. Chuku diaka ya debe marriage. Operon the father. Operon the mama. Is an institution by the divine. When you defy your marriage about what we are saying, you will reap the consequences.